Want to remove your BVN from Opay? This video will show you the full guide to managing your account security. Let's dive in. First things first, directly removing a BVN, bank verification number, from a financial service like Opay isn't a straightforward self-service option, as BVN is often a mandatory regulatory requirement for account linking and verification. Now, if you want to disassociate your BVN from your Opay account for specific reasons, your primary course of action is to contact Opay customer support directly. To begin, open the Opay app and look for the Help, Support, or Contact Us section. You'll likely find options to chat with a live agent or send an email. Clearly state your request to have your BVN unlinked or removed from your account and explain your reason. Opay's support team will then guide you through their specific process. They might require additional verification steps to confirm your identity. Given the sensitive nature of BVN, be prepared to provide your Opay account details, registered phone number, and potentially your BVN itself for verification. It's important to understand that if BVN linkage is a regulatory requirement for using Opay's services in your region, they might not be able to completely unlink it without closing your account entirely, or you may lose access to certain features. Clarify this with their support. Always communicate through official Opay channels and never share sensitive information on unofficial platforms. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital finance tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.